Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on allow tips on your Twitter app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do is to just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on profile, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just you just click here on edit profile, then it's going to take you here in this window. So and you go down here, you just click here on tips, then it's going to take you here in this window. You just come here to allow tips, you click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us here. So and we will go back, and like you say, when it's going to turn on with you here, when you click here, and it's going to show for you here, and you click here on agree, you go down, and it's on with you here on your Twitter app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.